Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how I feel about you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up, sharing them, and even commenting. All that helps with the algorithm, and thank you so much once again. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here. And I promise you, you're going to learn a lot from today's video. So today's video is a very powerful recipe, but it is so simple and easy to prepare. If you're suffering from hair breakages, hair thinning, or you want to grow any part of your hair, please do not joke with this recipe. It is very, very effective. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is carrots. Carrots is very great when it comes to hair growth and even for skincare. You can see that there are a lot of products out there that has carrots in them because of what it can do for the hair. Carrot has vitamins and minerals that are really great for hair growth. It contains vitamin A and vitamin E, which are both essential when it comes to hair growth. It also contains antioxidants that are going to prevent hair damage and also resolve hair issues. So what I did was I'm using 1 carrot today. You can always use more or less depending on the quantity you're trying to make. So I started by cleaning my carrots, then after that I'm grating it. You can either shred it if you have a shredder, you can chop it if you have a chopper, you can even grind it if that is what is going to be easier for you. Just make sure regardless of what you use, you're going to wash your carrots very, very well. Also, carrots is one of the most affordable natural ingredients that you can also easily find in any grocery store or market. And that is one thing that makes today's recipe very, very easy to prepare and also very easy to find all the natural ingredients. My next natural ingredient is rosemary herbs. Before getting into that, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platform. So as I introduced earlier on, those were rosemary herbs, which are also very affordable and easy to find and great when it comes to hair growth. This is clove. Clove is a very popular natural ingredient that is used by many and have benefited them a lot. If clove haven't worked for you, you just have to follow a recipe like this to use clove, and I promise you, you're going to love it in your hair. So before starting this recipe, I made sure to put some water on the stove and brought it to a boil. Now that my water is all boiled, it is time for me to add it to my ingredients. So I put all the ingredients in a mason jar like so, then I top it up with hot water. After that, I let it for a couple of hours for it to be infused with the water. You can also wait for it to cool down and then strain it. It is very important to strain this recipe because you do not want any particles in your hair. This recipe is super powerful, but there is ways that you have to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. There is one important tip or trick that you need to use with this recipe, and I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. So make sure you're watching every part of this video. This is my tea tree essential oil. If you've been following me, you know I love my essential oils. Essential oils kind of add some spark to every natural ingredient recipe. So adding it is also going to add to the benefits of any recipe that you make at home. I also do not forget about my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also very important when it comes to stopping hair breakages. So guys, if you have these little ingredients like vitamin E oil, essential oils, always add some to your recipes because it is going to maximize the benefit of your homemade recipes. I'm also going to add one of my favorite oils, that is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is also great for the scalp and also for the hair strength. It is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down your hair. But you can always use any oil of your choice. You can use my favorite oil, which is olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, just to mention a few. Just add about a tablespoon of the oil to your recipe. And the oil depends on the quantity that you make. You can make it in bigger batches and freeze them, or you can make it, in smaller portions, and you can always make new ones because it is very easy to prepare these recipes. After adding all the little, ingredients here and there, I'm going to give it a good stir, and it's time for me to transfer this into my spray bottle. Putting this in the spray bottle makes it very easy to use because we're going to spray it on the scalp and also on the hair strands. And if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So this is my recipe. It is all ready to be used. So what I do is, let me show you the tip or the trick I was talking about. When you spray this on your hair strands, make sure you are always going in or following with a leave-in conditioner and also a hair moisturizer. This will help it stay in your hair much longer. Also, when you apply this, make sure you put your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. You do not have to rinse this out. You leave it in your hair. Use this every other day or 3 times a week. Instead of using regular water to moisturize your hair, you can always use this instead as a hairspray. Spray it on your hair, then massage it in. It is very refreshing to the scalp. Just be consistent with the use for faster result. Thank you for being here today, and I hope to see you in my next one.